Hi, welcome to VeloCloud VMware SD-WAN by VeloCloud Deploy and Manage Lesson 2. In this class, we will discuss about the SD-WAN components like edge and gateway as well as orchestration. Let's move to the slide. Solution components, we have a three solution components. So one is NSX SD-WAN edge component, another one is SD-WAN orchestrator, and the last one is SD-WAN gateway component. So we will discuss about one by one of three components. First, we are going to describe the SD-WAN edge components and their features and their description. VeloCloud Edge is a compact, thin edge device that is zero IT touch provision from the cloud, from secure, optimized connectivity to application and data. The VMware SD-WAN Edge with dynamic multipath optimization like DMPO and deep application recognition aggregates multiple links like private DSL 4G LTE and street traffic over optimized links to other on-premises VMware SD-WAN Edge in a branch office. So this is the a lot of benefits provided by the edge component for the branch office, private data center, campus and headquarters. NSX HD-WAN edges can easily integrate with the existing network via routing protocols and benefits from dynamic learning and automations. SD-WAN Edge can host VNF server, virtual network functions to simplifying branch office deployment of network server. The SD-WAN Edge is also available as an hardware appliance or virtual appliance, and also it is available on the cloud marketplace like AWS and Azure. So let's move to the another one is orchestrator and controller components. This is the main components of the NSX SD-WAN. It is a cloud hosted or on-premises secure and scalable web-based central management tool to provide simplified configuration and provisioning, monitoring, fault management, and as well as logging and reporting. The SD-WAN orchestrator enables the simple implementation of business-based policies for application delivery, simplifying application for traffic management. Using VMware SD-WAN is a zero-touch deployment capability. VMware SD-WAN can be quickly installed. When the VMware SD-WAN Edge is shipped to the branch office, where non-IT personnel can plug in and power it and connecting the cable to the device. After plug-in for activation and configuration, it's ongoing management and all are handled by the orchestrator. Just you can power on the device and connect it with the orchestrator and pull the configurations that you have already created on the orchestrator, and it's ready to go. And the last one is NSX SD-WAN Gateway by VeloCloud offer. Basically, VMware SD-WAN operates a distributed network of gateways deployed around the world. You don't need to deploy a gateway, it's already pre-created by VMware around the world. Gateway can also be deployed on premises at service provider side. You don't need to deploy on your on-prem. It's either you can get from the service provider or by VMware. They provide scalability, redundancy, and on-demand flexibility for traffic steering. When I talk about steering, it means that to transmit the traffic to best optimized link available in the internet. Gateway optimized data paths from edge device to application in the cloud, branch, and the data center, along with the ability to deliver network services to and from the cloud through this service insertion. Gateways are multi-tenant capable and make a cross-network deployment possible to create multi-region SD-WAN for global corporations. If I simplify all of these components in two sentence. NSS SD-WAN edge physically interconnect clients and ISP links, ultimately responsible for packet steering. And orchestrator, policy management, visibility into network and element operations, and source of intelligence. If we talk about the gateway, forward packets to the final destination, protection services through DMPO and IPsec termination services. Here you can see about the NSS SD-WAN edge deployment model. I have just described you the deployment model of the NSS SD-WAN edge. You have the three options to deploy it, whether on premises as in hardware. You can see it's a bare metal on Dell hardware is available. You can get it as a hardware appliance from the distributor and deploy it on premises. If you don't want to get hardware appliance, you can install on EXSI or KVM as an appliance this gateway. If you don't want to buy a hardware edge, you can also deploy on EXSI or KVM as an virtual appliance. This virtual edge is also available on the cloud, like AWS and Microsoft Azure on Marketplace. Some models are present in the slides for their specifications. VMware SD-WAN devices are available in subscription model with no capital outlay required. VMware SD-WAN gateways and orchestrator are cloud hosted and provided as a service. Organization can swap out hardware provision in easy, no CLI is required. Organizations do not need to depend on highly trained network administrator to manage remote locations to these devices. These are the multiple devices model available as per subscription. You can select one of them for your desired requirements and budget. As I told you, there is a third option for cloud deployment, so you can get virtual edge on AWS as well as on Azure as a subscription. So it's located on cloud as a virtual appliance. NSX SD-WAN orchestrator. Here you can see configuration and monitoring page of orchestration. All have different web portals, like service provider have different portals of orchestration, enterprise have different portal of orchestration, and branch monitoring have different orchestration web portal. So, as you can see in this diagram. Here is a three multi-tier multi-tenant orchestration platform. Shows the orchestration platform as a multi-tenant way. It means everybody have different portal access as per services. If you see the operator have different portal to access the orchestration, and as a partner have different portals for MSP portal, and partners have sub customers like A and B to provide the access to the orchestration from different portals. So in this slide you have seen gateway components. There is a multiple regions where you can see blue circle of gateway presence around the world of different regions, as well as there are orchestrator on the 63 countries, and gateways 440 plus around the world, and availability is a 99.99%, and cloud scale redundancy it's increasing day by day around the world for providing the gateways to their customer to access from their regions. Here is a multi-tenant and stateless gateway. In this gram, basically, when it shows that in a very simple way, multiple customer can use a single gateway. As you can see in this diagram, one gateway holds a number of VRF tables. Every customer have different VRF A, B, and C tables in a single gateway. Um, mm, VRF table for different customer in a gateway, and it is a dedicated VRF table for every customer. When the new customer comes in, gateway will create a VRF table against them and separate them from existing. So here in this diagram, every customer connected to their VRF table, and none of them are mixing between them. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet up in the second class.